Hello friends, I hope you guys can hear me over the wind. Today I am going to meet my friend Jay. We're going to Mr. Chubby over in Seoul and I'm pretty excited. It's rainy. Well, it's not raining actually, it's like very cloudy. You would think it's raining, but it's not raining, it's just overcast as fuck. But yeah, so I'm on my way to the bus now and I will see you guys in a little bit. So cute. Yeah, I'm okay. Fucking motorcycles. There it is.
Welcome to Mr. Chubby.
Does it start here? Oh, I think it's second floor. I don't think this is the place. You think so? I have to mute this. I don't want to get copyrighted in this.
I think I can try the petrol Mexican burger.
Oh. It's like art. Would have been easy. Maybe in it. There we go. Iria espresso coffee.
어떻게 생각하십니까? 맞습니다. 그럼 누가 서울시장으로서 인생을 책임지고 한국을 책임지겠습니까?
Anything that comes out of there is stuff.
Choose it. Don't choose it like, oh, maybe this, maybe that.
What do you
Adila, yours looks like that pasta looks really good. Whoa! Say something for the camera, Luke. Whoa! This is insane. Like that, they're like kind of empty still because like vendors are still coming in. But this one is like, yeah.
혹시나 할 땐 꼭 검사 받으세요. 문의 120 서울특별시.
다음 정류소는 리베라 CC입니다. 승객 여러분, 국토교통
Damn, bro, I really forget that I'm vlogging. Oof. So, I ended up going to this place called Modern House. It's like this interior store, very similar to Bed Bath & Beyond. So I went there. I was kind of having like a little, I don't know, eagerness to do some shopping. So I'll show you when I get home what I got. But currently, I'm just heading back home now. I'm gonna stop by my local mart and get some food, some good ingredients. I'm thinking of what to make for dinner, so that's happening. Hello, so I'm back and this is what I got from Modern House. It's like a little cutlet and sauce bowl set, but I'm planning on using it as like a little sort of baking dish. And so this is nice. And then I got like a little non-stick frying pan. I already have one already, but it's a little big, so I got like a smaller one. This was about $10. This was about also $10. And then I got a little placemat for my table. I think it'll be nice to like eat on a placemat rather than like just the bare table. The bare table isn't a problem, but you know, just like, I don't know. I'm giving you guys real camera action. I've been using my phone so far, but this is some real camera shit. So I wanted to get in front of this camera to make a special announcement, and that is I have started a Patreon. If you guys don't know what a Patreon is, it's essentially OnlyFans minus like the sex stuff. Patreon is a place where people who create YouTube content like myself, so we have like another platform where we can post like extra content, give you guys things like podcasts, exclusive like special things. For me personally, I created this Patreon because I wanted to have another place where I can talk to you guys. Here on YouTube, I've realized that many people come to my channel, they are expecting to hear about life in Korea, which is fine. But there are other things that I also like to talk about. There are also like, you know, things like anime, things like what's going on in my life, stuff like that. I wanted to have another platform where I can feel comfortable sharing that with you guys, where if you want to know me better and I can know you guys better, we can have like a community where we can talk, where, you know, like I really want to give you guys podcasts. I actually just finished recording my first podcast. It is on Patreon. From each tier, you get things like exclusive podcasts, exclusive videos, In one tier, I, will give you guys a tutorial, things that you guys request directly. For example, like how to get your license in Korea. Also, you guys can be able to ask me questions directly that I can answer in like my podcast or my videos. I think I've been in contact with a lot of you guys on Instagram and even on YouTube, and I think some of you are interested in coming to Korea, but you have a lot of concerns or a lot of specific questions that you want to ask. And I found that Instagram isn't the most convenient way to do that, or neither is YouTube. So on Patreon, I want to have a space where I can answer your questions and everyone who's also curious about those questions can see that. So if you guys are interested in supporting me, my hair is fucked up. If you guys are interested in supporting me, you can join me at Patreon. My link is patreon.com/Devante, I believe. It'll be in the description box, and I think I'll write it somewhere here. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I really want to, continue to create content that you guys will enjoy. And if you do want to support me some more and see more exclusive content, you could head over to my Patreon. I just did a podcast. In that podcast, I went further into my driving stuff, like how life's been going for me here for the past few weeks. I talk about Naruto for a little bit. If you are interested, join me over at Patreon and I will see you guys there. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to, spend the rest of my day just chilling, find some food to snack on, maybe watch some Naruto. I don't know, bro. I don't know. And I hope you guys are really having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are staying safe out here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.